Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about Panama City Beach and beyond.
Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we have got to tell you about a great home in a favorite PCB neighborhood.
Absolutely.
Hidden Pines.
Right off of Laird, access to Thomas Drive, Middle Beach, all the things.
Super close to the base.
Yes.
A few miles to sunset drinks at Schooners.
That's right.
St. Andrews State Park, shopping at Publix, a gym nearby, all the things you need. The
Right there.
location of that home
It can't get more central and perfect.
absolutely probably
Yes.
one of the greatest things about this home over on Hidden Island Drive. Hidden Pines is a very sought after neighborhood. It's close to Petronas School, and you guys, they kill it at Halloween and Christmas time.
Yes.
Their lights shows, you
And
got it.
all the candy for all the family.
Yeah, you got to see it. You got to see it. So this is a 3-2 home. It's got a great fenced-in backyard, a little patio in the backyard as
Yep.
well. The nice thing about this home is you've got a blank canvas.
Yes.
It's emptied out. You can do what you want with it. All the appliances have been replaced.
Yes, and it's a split floor plan, so you can keep the
Okay.
kids on one side and you
Nice.
can enjoy the other.
You got an ornery teenager.
Yep.
Put them on the other side.
And with this only being the 1,800 square feet and 3 bedrooms, it has a little area for a desk and office space.
I did notice that.
Yes.
And actually a little portico kind of that could be a dining area as
Yeah.
well. All the major appliances, like we said, have been replaced. Brand new roof, brand new AC, brand
Two-car
new water
garage.
heater.
Oh.
Plenty of room. You can
Water
store
heater.
your boat because there's no HOA
Yes.
in Hidden Pines.
Yes.
So it just keeps getting better and better. If you want to check out this 3-2 over in Hidden Pines or one like it, give us a call. It's listed at $380. We'd love to show it to you.
Look at the description below and you can check out the actual listing for extra pictures and information.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on future videos like this one.